hello, welcome to my bathroom. Hopefully you can see. All right, we're gonna do my wavy hair routine that's heatless. I wanna share with you a tutorial, but it starts like, honestly, before I even get in the shower. So there are some like tips and tricks, especially this is how my hair naturally air dries. Nothing was done with this. It's pin straight, like not a wave in sight, okay? So that's why. The first thing I do is make sure that my hair is completely brushed out and kind of find my part, because when we're in the shower, we're going to also brush it out and make sure that it's all smooth in the shower and not brush it once it's wet out of the shower, which is kind of key. So I normally do this before bed, honestly, not like right before bed, but like I sleep with a protective like style after I do this, but we're gonna see. I've never really done it where I've just like let it air dry for the rest of the day. So I'll tell you how long it takes and all that stuff, but let's do it. So hair brushed. I use a wet brush when I'm in the shower, and then I'm gonna shampoo and condition. And when I'm in the shower, I'm gonna make sure that every single tangle is out of my hair, because I have fine, thin hair that tangles insanely easy. So I need to make sure that it's completely tangle free, or else I'm gonna have to brush it when I get out. So I use a wet brush in the shower with conditioner on my hair to make sure that it's not like pulling, and work it through, and then make sure I have my part in my hair when I get out of the shower. So I will see you after I wash my hair and then get back out, and then we'll do the wavy routine for straight, thin, fine hair. If I can do it, you can do it. I know it, okay? Just takes little tips and tricks to get you there, because I know, because I've done it probably like 10 times now, and I've figured out like what absolutely doesn't work. So let's do it. Okay, so it's been a while, probably about an hour or so since I got out of the shower, and I just put this little turby twisty. I did nothing else besides, like I said, shampoo, condition, and brush out my hair. So we're not going to brush out anymore. We're gonna leave these kind of chunky bits, but I would say my hair is probably like, I don't know, 50% dry or so, maybe not, maybe like 40. We're not going to touch anything right now. We're going to go ahead and go in with some products, which is the key to making your hair wavy if you do not have naturally wavy hair. So also these towels are incredible. I've had it for probably 7-8 years, and they're just like a good investment. You buy it once and you're pretty much good to go. Okay, let's do hair products. Okay, so we're going in with 2 products. I'm gonna first go in with my leave-in. I love this. And you wanna just kind of spray everything and scrunch it up. This stuff just smells out of this world. Like, it's so good. But for me, I can't put on anything too thick or it will weigh anything down. So just kind of going with my deep conditioner, or my leave-in conditioner first. Just kind of scrunching it up. Again, we're not brushing. So we want to minimize too much craziness that will cause frizz. But once our style is set, you can kind of like brush it out. But you kind of want to keep as much intact as possible. So I give my hair a minute to sit with the leave-in. My other like go-to leave-in is just something lightweight. Anything that's creamy, that still like gives you hydration, but anything that's like lightweight. So I really love this, and I also do like the Crown Affair one. I tend to put that just on the ends. Sometimes I'll just go in. This is very lightweight, even though it's intensely moisturizing. And I personally go in with this before my wave spray. So you can tell I already have a little bit of curl, nothing crazy. I really kind of want to get a perm, so bad I haven't had one since I was in high school. But you don't want to put anything on it until like you have some ability to like have it a little bit dry. Like, it's definitely not wet, but it's more of like a damp feel. And then I find that by curling or scrunching as we dry is the best process. So while that's gonna soak in a little bit longer, I'm gonna let that soak in a little bit longer, and then we'll go in with the Way Wave Spray. This is truly the best that I've found. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't tried a ton, but I do know that I don't like the Bumble and Bumble Wave Spray. I do know that I did not like the Day Hibiscus or whatever it was wave spray. So those are the two that I've tried in my recent years, and I like it. Okay, so I tend to just put a headband in to keep my hair out of my face. And we're gonna let this dry for probably about 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna do a little bit of skincare and such, and then I will come back and show you the process. Again, it's super simple, but I do think that the biggest takeaway is brushing your hair in the shower, putting it in a twisty, and kind of layering your steps with the wave spray, especially if you do not have a naturally wavy hair type. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so it's been about 10-15 minutes or so, and hair is probably about quite a bit drier. Now I'm gonna go in with the wave spray. So again, we're gonna take and kind of do it in layers, but you really need to coat the hair. I'm not gonna lie, I hate the way this smells. Don't hate it, but like, it's not my favorite. So I'm working in sections, like not sections, on sides. And I'm just taking and scrunching it up and letting it down. And kind of holding. And the more this dries, the easier and more curlier it will get. Wavier. I always say curly, but you'll see the bottom layers tend to not curl up or wave up as much. And I find this is like not sticky, but tacky at first, and then it like comes down. So you can see before, after. There's a huge difference. Okay, so now I flip and do the other side. Again, coat the top layer. I go underneath and then do bottom. Oop, I think I just sprayed the camera. And then we just scrunch it up. A little bit. Okay. And that's it. We're going to scrunch this and leave this for a minute, or not a minute, a couple minutes. And the reason why I don't brush it out is because I naturally get like some clumps that I find just break apart more natural and pretty. So that is the first level. Let's go ahead and finish our makeup, and then we'll come back and I'll show you it again, I guess, over and over again, the process until I get the desired look. All right, so I completed more of my makeup, and now we're gonna go in and do another layer of scrunching. One more coat, not as heavy as the first time. And just, the longer you hold it up, the more it'll curl. I feel like the curly girls are gonna come for me. And I hope you don't. Like, it's not my goal to insult people with actual curly hair. I actually wish I had it. So. Okay, and then just continue, and that's it. So now let's just go ahead and let it continue to dry, and as it's drying, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this exact same thing until it's pretty much all the way dry. And that's it, and you're gonna see dries really, really nicely. So again, keeping it out of my face so that it dries kind of like with a little bit of a wave towards my face or away from my face, as well as it's not touching my makeup and all that, so I can continue to get ready. So I will show you the finalized product once it's fully dry. Checking in again just to scrunch, but you can see it's starting to dry and it will fall. I never diffuse it. I guess you could if you wanted to dry faster. Okay. So it's pretty much, I would say 85, 90% dry. And this is the waves. Nothing crazy, but we have some definition. And I just braid it to sleep and it looks better the next day. But that is it. And then sometimes I will just use a little curling wand to kind of put a couple more pieces that are a little curly, but that is when my hair is like fully dry / next day. You do not want to put heat on your hair like if you haven't blow dried it completely bone dry, because it will cause a lot more damage, but that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're looking for like a quick, easy, sort of like wavy, beachy look for the summer, I hope this works out for you. And yeah, I can't say enough how good the wave spray is. Yeah, love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one very soon. Bye. Give me a Vegemite sandwich.